Let's get it done. Hey, all you fiber doers out there. Laura Welsh here, and welcome to my gig page. You want a versatile, vibrant-sounding, never boring voice artist to bring your projects to life? I've got you covered. I record from my broadcast-quality home studio, which I have access to 24/7. You need fast turnaround? Check. You want to do a consult beforehand? It's included in the gig. Check out my reviews to see I get the job done right. Got something specific in mind, like a cartoon voice? Or something sultry and seductive? Check out my demos and portfolio down below this video. But here's just a taste.
Make any moment extra special with Stonebrier's long-lasting candles.
It's the Memorial Day sales event at BMW of Rockville.
You wake up, you scroll, you click, you work.
Premier Physical Therapy, helping you get back to life.
And I love you.
You guys are gross.
Like what you see? Then hit that order button and rest easy knowing you've got an amazing voiceover on the way. Brought to you exclusively on Fiverr.